back with a human hair wig that I'm super excited about because this is a unit that I got from one of my most favorite human hair wig companies. I just haven't reviewed a lot of hair from them this year, even though it's only February. That's a long time for me. So I'm super excited about this, y'all. I'm super excited about this one, y'all. This is a unit that I got from Beauty Forever Hair. They are one of my most favorites. If you are new here, my name is Jessica. I can't comb hair, but Beauty Forever allows somebody like me, somebody that can't comb hair, and somebody that doesn't want to spend a whole lot of coin. They allow me to live out my best dreams and lives in these units because they make them so affordable and so beginner friendly. I'm gonna put all the details down in the description box. The only thing that I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because I do everything on camera with y'all. So I do like these bowling, I call them bowling bags, but I guess a toiletry bag that these units come in. It makes it easier for storage to me with it being secure. I hate a soft box because I'm gonna dip up a soft box. Also, I can use these toiletry bags for everything besides a wig. So I do love the bowling bag case that it comes with. Then what else do we have in here? We also have a silk storage case with their branding on it and some stuff in here. We have an edge band with their branding on it and 2 packs of 2-piece wig caps. So, I mean, stuff that we will actually use without all that extra rigmarole. I got a piece of hair stuck on it. I'm trying to get off the bag. Get off. This wig is a 7x5 check because it's easy and affordable. Bye Knots lace wig from Beauty Forever, and it is 16 inches long and it's kinky curly. So this is gonna be super, super easy. Let me take it out of this packaging. They've also included some Bye Knots tabs. I also tell y'all that I use these on everything, not just this unit. I can use it on all my units. So I do love those Bye Knots tabs. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Because not only, I just remember, I had to pull it out to see, not only is it kinky curly, but it has finger curls. I don't know why I'm singing, but I love those finger curls. Oh, let me calm down. Not only do we have the finger curls that if you can't tell, I really love. This 7x5 parting space makes it so easy for somebody like me because I cannot, with all the glue and I can't. I just cannot. Okay, so I love a 7x5 because it allows me to part it anywhere, but I don't have to. I can pull it half up, half down. I don't have to do all the extra that comes along with like a 13x4. So I love the 7x5. I love this upgraded cap construction in general. So you have that, and then you have a comb in the back, of course, but they've also, throughout this wig, put these bands of like adhesion. They're not sticky when I touch them, but they'll make the wig lay flat on my head, which I love, and that's throughout the wig. The other thing they've done with this upgraded cap is the cap is super stretchy, y'all. I love that. And they have my most favorite part on here, the drawstring. With this drawstring, I don't need anything. I don't need a comb. To be honest, I rarely use the glueless bands because that adjustable drawstring like that lets me adjust this wig to fit my little peanut head. So I love that drawstring. This won't take long at all, y'all. Oh, did I show you? Oh, and that's the other upgrade. The thin glueless band. Which, if I have to wear the glueless band, I do prefer these thinner ones. It feels more comfortable on my head. This shouldn't take long at all, y'all. I'm gonna put this on my head and I'll comb it out. I'll wet it down because it's been, packaged. I'll pull out a few of these finger coils, give you a 360, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back. I was at the edge, I was at the end, made me feel like like we're living, made me feel alive, oh yeah. Tell me on my side, baby, where would I be without your love beside me, oh, baby, where would I be, probably gone, oh. Cause it feels like CPR. Cause it feels like CPR. Baby, love again, like notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it. No one understands me, no. You're the only one to confide in, darling. I don't really need the love
Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the edge, I was at the end. Made me feel like nothing, like we're living. Made me feel alive, oh yeah. Tell me on my side, baby, where would I be without your love beside me? Oh, baby, where would I be? Probably gone. Oh, 'cause it feels like CPR. 'Cause it feels like CPR. Baby, love again, like notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it. No one understands.
Now I hope you understand why I was so excited to review this wig from Beauty Forever. Y'all, this is so cute. I've done tons of kinky curly wigs. I've done, because y'all know I love the finger curls. I've done tons of reviews on wigs with finger curls. But it's something about this length and this density that just does it for me. I feel like this unit looks extremely natural. That's the first thing. The second thing is I was able to take this right out of the pack, push some of those baby hairs back, and this is what we get. And as a beginner, I could not ask for more. Also with the finger curls, over here, I pick them out more compared to over here. And you can always get this look back. All you gotta do, if you old school like me, get some straws and you can do that, like tighten them back up. And I like them both, but I think I like the defined finger curls a little bit more. Not only do they give them to you in the front, they also brought them down here in the back as well. I'm not sure if I showed y'all that. This is just a gorgeous unit. It fits very, very comfortably on my head with that drawstring. I don't have a single con about this, y'all. And I was worried about Kiki Curly at 16. Ooh, I thought I was gonna look a little, I don't know, like Juliet Scott. Okay, that's why I don't know. That's why I thought I was gonna look a little bit like him. Shout out to Juliet, but you know what I'm saying? That wasn't the look I was going for. But surprisingly enough, I think with the earrings, the natural hair vibes, and those finger curls, this wig is just 10 out of 10 for me. So this is one I definitely can recommend. In the description box, I put all the details, direct link to it, because this is one I think you will really enjoy it once you get it home. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit, because I am in love, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.